In a world bustling with constant noise and distractions, have you ever wondered about the power of solitude? About the profound journey within yourself? Today, we're diving deep into the transformative experience of being alone on your spiritual journey. Being alone is not the absence of company, but a moment when your soul is free to speak to the divine, to yourself, and to help you decide what to do with your life. It's a path less traveled, and it might raise questions from the world around you, but remember, it is in solitude that you truly find yourself. When you're alone, you're not escaping from the world. Rather, you're diving deep into the core of your existence. It's through reflecting on yourself that you'll undergo a powerful change. And when you emerge, you'll shine brightly, ready to inspire others with your newfound light. If you feel alone in your spiritual journey, please know that you haven't done anything wrong or are missing out on anything. Being alone in this precious moment, you encounter the essence of your being. You hear the echo of your deepest longings, the unspoken dreams whispered in your heart. Being alone compels you to journey within yourself, the most important endeavor in life, because that's where everything originates. When you are alone, you are forced to seek answers to your problems independently. It can be a painful process as you navigate and release past traumas, constantly working to shift your thought patterns. But you have a vision of your desired future, and the universe has witnessed the depth of your longing for it. Therefore, you have been guided into isolation to delve within. Understand that certain experiences must occur to shape you into the person you've always aspired to be. A brand new life necessitates a new environment, a new mindset, new belief systems, and a fresh perspective on life. Everything must change, but rest assured, it's all happening to align with your desires. In the midst of your spiritual journey, your beliefs play a significant role. Many of the beliefs you hold may not align with what you truly desire. Society, as well as your friends and family, may have influenced your thinking. Being isolated allows you to become aware of this influence and question why you think the way you do. You were never meant to conform to any crowd. You are a natural leader. Unfortunately, this realization may have been suppressed during your upbringing. But now, you stand alone effortlessly. Isolation provides you with an opportunity to change everything, to start fresh with a new way of thinking. This transformation is difficult to achieve when you are constantly surrounded by others. It is in the aloneness of your spiritual journey that you learn the art of self-love. True love begins within yourself and radiates outwards, touching every aspect of your existence. As you fill your own cup, you become a vessel of love. Being alone on this spiritual journey is to empower you to reclaim and embody your spiritual energy. Many of us unknowingly give away our energy to toxic individuals who drain us and make us feel unworthy. However, through isolation, you will learn how to reclaim your energy and establish boundaries with toxic relationships, whether they were with friends, romantic partners, or even your own family. Many spiritually inclined individuals grew up feeling the need to give away their energy to gain acceptance, becoming people pleasers and empaths. Yet, once you retrieve your energy and learn to maintain it, regardless of external circumstances, you will become incredibly powerful in the depths of being alone. You learn to be comfortable in your own skin, shedding the masks and personas you wear for the world. Embracing your true, authentic self, there is no need to conform or seek validation, for you are free to express yourself without judgment. In this liberation, you become a beacon of light, inspiring others to embrace their own uniqueness. Being alone on this chosen path means you are destined for something greater. Understand that some individuals may live their entire lives without experiencing their true spiritual gifts. The pain you endure and the healing you undergo on this journey are worth it. In the end, it will all prove to be worthwhile. You're on the cusp of realizing how close you are to achieving your desires. The universe and the divine are on your side, and they are all you truly need. You are alone on this journey to help you understand that you are never truly alone. Yes, you may lack physical companionship, but you will no longer feel lonely. There is a special connection you already have or will soon discover that will transform your life. Remember, this spiritual journey deepens your connection with the divine, with God, and with your true self. You will come to realize that you don't need anyone else on earth to feel complete. You won't seek external sources for the feelings you once desired from others. Love will emanate from within you because you are love. You won't seek validation because you will validate yourself. You won't require anything external to find happiness. Every emotion and feeling you seek will be discovered within yourself. You will realize the immense power that resides within you when standing alone. You will become aware of your role as a creator and a master of manifestation. All this profound knowledge reveals itself to you during times of solitude, during the darkest moments of your life. As you take on your spiritual journey, remember that